Yeah, right. So in this one, I would get rid of those because they're both on opposite sides of the equation. 2a squared minus 6a equals 0. Factor that. 2a comes out. A minus 3 equals 0. A equals 0 or positive 3. 33, I'm going to bring that over. V squared minus 11v plus 28 equals 0. That is factors of 28 or 14 and 2. That does not equal 11. 11 is an odd number, so I don't want to complete the square, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. V equals 11 plus or minus the root of 121 minus 4 times 1 times 28 over 2. 11 plus or minus 121. 4 times 28 is 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 8 is 32. Is 112, which makes that 11 plus or minus 9, or root 9 over 2, which gets you 11 plus or minus 3 over 2, which gets you 7 or 4. Of course it factored. What an idiot I am. I forgot about 7 and 4. But there you go. Sometimes you look and you use the quadratic formula and you didn't need to. This one is, if it was going to factor, it would multiply to 48 and add to 7, but it's all positive, so nothing works there. So this is a quadratic formula situation. X equals negative 7 plus or minus the root of 49 minus 4 times 6 times 8. Hey, wait a minute, over 12. It's negative 7 plus or minus the root of 49 minus, that's a big old number, bigger than 49. So that guy has no roots, because that is 48 times 4, which is 192, which gives me a negative number there, so no solution. Oh, man. I bought a crap ton of batteries yesterday. That is 2x squared plus 8x plus 6 equals 0. Take out the 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Just for fun, even though that factors, I'm going to do complete the square. X squared plus 4x equals negative 3 plus 4 plus 4 x plus 2 squared equals 1. 2x plus 2 equals plus or minus 1. X equals negative 2 plus or minus 1. So x equals negative 3 and negative 1. I would move this x over so it's positive. X squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. That is, of course, x plus 4, x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 4 and 3. 4n squared plus, 4n squared plus 4 equals 0. That is, of course, 2n squared. 2n squared plus 2 equals 0. Divide by 2. N squared plus 2 equals 0. N squared equals negative 2, which of course can't work, so no solution. Yes?
Can I just toss something on the board real quick?
Whatever you need, Manroop.
So like for radicals like this, for the quadratic equation, and this is a negative something, and you have to square it.
Yes?
Is it like we put this
Yes, of course it is.
Okay. That's the thing.
That, that of course doesn't factor, so it's a quadratic equation situation. That is 0, because there's no b, plus or minus the root of 36 plus, minus, 0 minus 4 times 6 times 103. 0 minus a negative, no solution. Because I'm going to end up with a negative under there. Under where? Ha 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 ha. What? You guys like that stuff. That's good comedy. That's why my channel is comedy, yes. Huh? Thanks, brother. That one is 9p squared minus 234. Now, you could check. That is 9p squared minus 26 equals 0. So p squared minus 26 equals 0. P squared equals 26. P equals plus or minus root 26. All right. Sorry, everyone. My pen is starting to die. I'm going to stop this video and then finish it off after I reset.